Today I wanted to share with you guys one of my best kept beauty secrets, and I'm telling you guys, it's so amazing. I'm addicted to it. I want to do it almost every single day, and what it is using pure oatmeal to treat irritated, itchy, uneven, blotchy, and acne prone skin. So this little tip is great for those with sensitive skin like me, but if you have rosacea or eczema, or even if you have like a little rash or irritation on your skin, it would be great for that as well. Not only is oatmeal highly moisturizing, but it's also anti-inflammatory and it has skin lightening effects. So if you have any acne scars, it can help to fade those, and it can even out your complexion. That sounded funny. So you might be thinking to yourself that I'm going to be using oatmeal as a mask, but I'm actually going to be using oatmeal as a cleanser. So what I like to do is take a handful of quick cook oatmeal. It can be any brand. It doesn't have to be the brand that I have here. Just make sure that it has no sugar added. So what you want to do is add a good amount of water right on top. Make sure that it's like a lukewarm water. And this part is a little bit weird, but all that you want to do is mush it up in your hand, and be sure to include that milky liquid onto your skin as well. Don't let it just drain out and drip off of your hand, because it contains a ton of benefits in that little milky paste that develops in your hand. So the oats should be soft, not scratchy, but they will still help to exfoliate the dead skin cells for a brighter and more even complexion. And the oats actually act like little tiny sponges that absorb dirt and impurities. And again, that milky liquid is filled with skin smoothing antioxidants. So what I like to do is spend a good 2 to 3 minutes and really massage this into my skin. I really want to make sure to work in the mixture good. So after that, I go ahead and rinse with warm water, and immediately my skin feels smoother, softer, and it has a beautiful glow to it. So while my skin is still warm and my pores are still open, that's when I go ahead and apply a good amount of moisturizer all over my face. So the longer that you use the oatmeal to clean your face, the better. There are no harsh chemicals in this at all, so you could honestly do this every single morning and your skin will thank you. I've been pretty much addicted to oatmeal lately, and I think that if you guys try this just one time, you will be absolutely hooked, because that's what happened to me. I was like, okay, I'm gonna try this one time, and I've been doing it every single morning since. So what are you guys waiting for? Go ahead, go try it. I know that you have oatmeal in your kitchen right now. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and